We can use Chef to automate to create and manage dynamic infrastructure that runs on the AWS cloud or manage the servers in your on-premises data centers. So in my case, I'll be having multiple instances. One as like Chef workstation. I'll be having like master node, chain node, and I'll show how I'm going to configure, and I'm going to show how I'm going to create the nodes, how I'm going to control from the Chef workstation. If you can see here, I have like three instances running. So the first one is the Chef workstation. Second one is the master server, and the third one is the slave server. So which I have already over here. So let me connect to the Chef workstation again. So as you can see, I already got connected to the Chef workstation. Let me connect to my master server also. So as you can see, I've connected to my master also. So currently I'm connecting to my slave server. So I got connected to my slave server also. Let me have a look. Yeah, so connected. So if you can see here, Chef manage. So there were no roads currently running. So it's showing a blank rows. So even I can validate from my Chef workstation also. So if I do node knife node list, I don't find any nodes right now. So, okay, I think I need to cd. Here I need to enter knife node list. So as you can see here, I don't find any nodes available right now. So I'll explain you currently how I have set up the Chef workstation also. So when you go here, like you can find the starter kit. You can just download the starter kit from here and add the starter kit from here. Let me show you the starter kit. So I got my starter kit from here. I just downloaded the starter kit, and apart from that, like I've downloaded my deb file, deb SDK, which is required for my current version. My current version is Ubuntu 18.0.4. So like I have installed both of them to my current working repository, and I have unzipped them, and I have executed my own scripts. And moreover, like I have even sent my PEM file to here to which will be which are necessary to initiate new nodes from here. So like let me have a couple of notes. So I just wrote the script also aside. So this is the script I need to run my and to create my initial node. So as you can see, this part is my IP address of my master server, and I'm creating my node name as like my node one. So when I execute this one, it should create a new node, and moreover, it will be executing the script what I have. So the script already has a code to initialize Java and Hadoop for my master node. So currently it has created the new node with all the with my scripts. If I go back here and if I go back here and if I look at my nodes, so then my new node was created. So let me create a new node for my child server also. So let me copy the same code. Let me paste the same code, and I need to change the IP address to my slave server node. If I connect, so here is my slave server node. If I go and take my private IP address, so I need to change here to my slave private IP address, and let me change the node name as my node 2. So the script is going to create a new node for my child server, and it has a script to install Java and Hadoop, all these things. As I earlier said, so this chef workstation is, will be creating a new node or like change uh, things in the nodes or like remove nodes also. So if I go back here and if I do refresh, I can see two of my nodes over here. As you can see, so it's my second node. So let me go to my master node. Let me see my Java version which was installed. So it shows it has installed like 1.8.0 version. If I do ls, as you can see, Hadoop also got installed. If I go to my child node, I think I need to SSH and SSH to my child node again. So I got secure login to my child node. So if I see Java version, it shows the Java version which got installed because of the script. When I do ls, I can even see my Hadoop which got installed. So it shows how I can configure new nodes, how I can and how I mean like so how I can install the softwares from the chef workstation.